Welcome to Module 12, Advanced File Handling in Java. In the previous module, we learned how to read from and write to files. In this lesson, we'll explore more advanced file operations, including deleting files, creating directories, handling file-related exceptions, and following best practices for safe and efficient file management. By the end of this module, you'll be able to manage files and folders more effectively while writing more reliable Java programs. Let's begin with deleting files. Java provides a simple way to remove a file using the delete method. In this example, the delete method is called on a file object. If the file exists and can be removed successfully, the method will delete it from the system. Deleting files can be useful when removing temporary files, outdated records, or unnecessary data. However, be careful when using this method, because once a file is deleted, recovering it may not be possible. In addition to working with files, Java can also create directories, commonly known as folders. In this example, a file object named folder is created with the name myfolder. The mkdir method is then used to create the directory in the specified location. Directories help organize files into categories, making applications easier to manage and maintain. Creating folders programmatically is especially useful when applications need to store files in structured locations. When working with files, errors can occur unexpectedly. For example, a file may not exist, may be inaccessible, or may be located in the wrong directory. To handle these situations, Java uses exception handling with try and catch blocks. In this example, the program attempts to open a file named nofile.txt. If the file cannot be found or another input-output error occurs, an I/O exception is thrown. The catch block then displays a message indicating that the file was not found. Using exception handling helps prevent programs from crashing and allows developers to respond to errors gracefully. To write reliable Java programs, it's important to follow file handling best practices. First, always close files after using them. This helps free system resources and prevents data loss. Second, use try-catch blocks to handle potential errors that may occur during file operations. Third, keep files organized by using appropriate folder structures and meaningful file names. In this example, a try with resources statement is used. This feature automatically closes the file writer when the block finishes executing. Using try with resources is considered one of the safest and most efficient ways to work with files in Java. Let's review what we've learned in this module. We learned how to delete files using the delete method and create directories using the mkdir method. We also explored exception handling to manage file-related errors and prevent unexpected program failures. Finally, we discussed best practices such as closing files properly, using try-catch blocks, and organizing files effectively. These advanced file handling techniques help developers build more reliable, secure, and maintainable Java applications. That concludes Module 12, Advanced File Handling. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next lesson.